Welcome to Coach Eichner's Math. We're going to pick up with squares. Squares are parallelograms with 4 congruent sides and 4 right angles. Because a square is a special parallelogram, it has all of the properties of a parallelogram, in addition to those of a rectangle and a rhombus. So, here's where everything comes together. The first 5, opposite sides parallel, opposite sides congruent, opposite angles congruent, consecutive angles supplementary, and diagonals dissecting each other, are properties of our parallelogram. Okay, so now let's look down. 4 right angles and diagonals being congruent are the rectangle, and then I've got 4 congruent sides. I've got diagonals perpendicular and diagonals bisecting opposite angles. That would be my rhombi. So notice how it put all of our properties together. Squares, we know all of these pieces at one time. So let's put this to use. Looking at example number 6. Math is a square. I hope you got a little chuckle in. If MA is 8, then AT must also be 8. The measure of HST right here, we know that our diagonals are perpendicular, so it must be a 90-degree angle. The measure of angle MAT, well, we know that it's 90-degree angles, and we know that the diagonals bisect, so 90 divided by 2 would be 45 degrees. And we know that if HS is 2, then HA, well, this is 2, would have to be 4. And MT would also then have to be 4 because diagonals are congruent. So, flipping over, my suggestion is you try example 7 on your own. Give it just a minute. Go ahead, pause the video, see if you can manage these two without me. Example number 7, use square ABCD and the given information to find each. The measure of angle AED is 5x plus 5. Find x. Well, AED is a 90-degree angle. So 5x plus 5 equals 90, or 5x equals 85. X would have to be 17. The measure of angle BAC, this angle right here, is 5x. Well, because my angles are all 90 degrees and diagonals bisect, 90 cut in half would be 45. So 5x equals 45, or x equals 9. This has been Squares with Coach Eichner's Math. Hope you have a great rest of your day.